Hello everyone. Today we are going to be start the topic. The name of topic is rational and irrational number. In this lesson we will learn what is the difference between rational and irrational number. How to recognize, how to identify which is rational number and which is irrational number. So let us start and try to understand the difference between rational and irrational number. Rational number and irrational number. So first of all we will try to understand what is the definition of rational number. As we know that a number that can be written in the form of p by q, in the form of fraction, that is called rational number. A number that can be written in the form of p by q. P by q, it means what? Fraction, where q should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. That is called rational number. Generally we denote the rational number by capital Q. Right? Now, come on to this side. Irrational number, a number that cannot be written in the form of p by q. Just opposite. P by Q. So now you can see here a number that can be written in the form of P by Q, that is called rational number. A number that cannot be written in the form of P by Q, that is called irrational number. Generally we denote the irrational number by Q dash. Q dash. Now, try to understand, try to know the rule. What is the rule of rational number and irrational number? It would be helpful to find out, recognize the numbers. The rule is Rule number first, terminating. Second rule, with repeating. In the rational number, there is two rules. First is terminating, second is non-terminating with repeating. It means what? In this case, either this or this should be applicable on the number. If out of both rule is applying, it means at that time that number would be what? Rational number. Now come on to this side. Rule number 1. Yeah. Here is a single rule, that is non-terminating with non-repeating. But in this non-terminating with repeating, right? Now try to see, try to take some examples and try to understand. Example. Suppose I have written here 3.6. So non-terminating means what? After the decimal, number should be just finally, there should not be remainder when you will do the division, right? So now you can see here 3.6 and after 6 there is no any numbers, just stop here. It means what? This is not terminating. It means what? This is rational number. Denotation, rational number. Clear? Now second example. 3.6666 and so on, dot dot. In this case you can see after the decimal 6666 is coming continuously and it means what? Dot 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 dot. It means non-terminating and repeating. Repeating is going on. So we can say that in this case second rule is applying. So we can say that this is also a rational number. Clear? Okay. Now move on to the next irrational number. Irrational number, let us take an examples and see and just classify. So just I have taken an example that is 1.26231 and so on. So now try to see after the decimal there is first of all we can see dot dot dot. It means what? Non-terminating is here and non-repeating. Non-repeating. Now try to see the pattern is not here. Pattern, it means what? 2 6 2 3 2 1 and so on. It means what? Here is not a particular pattern. Clear? So we can say that repetition should be in the pattern, right? The repetition should be in the pattern after the decimal. If this thing is going on, then we can say that that is irrational number. We generally denote irrational number by Q dash. Clear? Now try to see the another examples. 3.6310436 and so on. So in this case you can see after decimal 631043 there is no any perfect pattern and the dot 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 dot. It means what? Non-terminating. So we can say that this is also irrational number. Clear? Okay. Now try to see the another examples. If I have written here, do you know the value of under root 2? The value of under root 2 is 1.4142 and so on. So this is also what? Irrational number. Why? Because you can see 2, 4, 1, 4, 2 and so on. So definitely you will never get a perfect pattern after the decimal. Right? So this is also called what? Irrational number. Clear? I hope you understand the concept very well. Let us see some questions and do some sums to make your knowledge perfect. Hi. Now, right now I have given some questions based on rational and irrational number. I have already explained how to recognize, how to make difference between rational and irrational. Right? So let us do and try to make your knowledge perfect. So let us take first questions. Try to think about it. So after decimal, we have to think about after the decimals. So now we can see 62, 62 and 62 and dot dot dot. It means what? Non-terminating because dot 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 is going on. And now we have to see the second thing. Second thing is number should be in pattern, in repetition form. So you can see 62, 62, 62. So you can see repetition is going on. So we can say that this number is what? Rational. Rational. Clear? Now, second question. 3.63. After the decimal, you can see 3.63 and there is no any dot dot dot, any reckoning sign, any numbers. Right? So it is what? It is terminating. Right? So terminating means what? Rational number. Rational number. Now next 6.4631. In this case, after the decimal and after the 1, there is no any dot and any reckoning sign are present. It means what? Terminating. This is terminating. So terminating, it means what? This is also rational number. Rational number. Clear? Now second, under root 9. First of all, we have to just do the simplification. Under root 9. Under root 9, the value of under root 9 is what? 3. 3. So we can say that 3 is what? 3 is rational number. Why? Because we can write 3 as 3 upon 1. And as we know that P by Q. P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. Here you can see 1 which is not equal to 0. So we can say that what? This is rational number. Clear? Now next 1 by 3. 1 by 3, when you will do the simplification, when you do the division, then you will get what? 3.3333 and so on. When you will do the division, decimal division, then you will get this. And now you can see after the decimal 3333 is coming continuously, so on. So we can say that what? This is non-terminating with repetition. So we can say that this is also rational number. Clear? Now see this one. Same condition is here. 12.123123. Here you can see repetition is going on and dot means what? Terminating, non-terminating. So it is also what? Rational number. Rational number. Clear? Now, seventh question. 1.67031105. Now you can see after the decimal 670382105. There is non-terminating dot is going on. And the second thing is what? After the decimal there is not a perfect pattern like this, right? So we can say that what? This is non-terminating and non-repeating. So in this case, this is what? This is irrational number. Right? How to denote? We can just write here Q, because we generally denote the rational number by Q, capital Q, capital Q, capital Q, and irrational number capital Q dash. Clear? Let us take some more examples. Now you can see here is some more questions I have given. Now try to do these questions. Now see 6.21036 dot. It means what? Non-terminating is going on. And second thing is we have to just recognize the number is in the pattern or not. So 32103. So as we can see there is no any pattern. So we can say that what? This is irrational number. Irrational number. We denote the irrational number by Q dash. Now, second question, question number 9, 0.6231, and after that there is no any dot and no any reckoning sign. So we can say that what? This is terminating, and the terminating means what? Rational number. Q. Question number 10, 1.62013 dot. Non-terminating and there is no any pattern, right? So it means what? Irrational number. Q dash. Under root 3. Under root 3. Do you know the value of under root 3? When you will find the value of under root 3, you will get 1.732 and so on. So you can see the non-terminating and the pattern is doing, here is no any pattern, right? So no any pattern, it means what? Non-terminating and non-repeating. So it means this is irrational number. Fine. This is called pi. And do you know the value of pi? The value of pi is 3.1475 and so on. So we can say that, as you can see, 3.145 and so on. So it means non-terminating and non-repeating. So this would be also irrational number. Right? In the next class or in the next video, we will try to give you the concept how to find the value of square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, how to find the value of these types of questions. I hope your concept has been totally clear. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next class.